Quite honestly, I didn't think it would work this well. I've just used an AI writing agent to generate the same piece of content, like the same keyword, targeting the same keyword, but from 2 different points of view, and it nailed it in about 15 minutes. Let me show you. The keyword I was trying was Apple TV review. I wanted to write a guide on that, and you can see I've done 2 versions of it. This one and this one. And how the tool works, you just select AI writing agent here, you pop your keyword in here, you select the language and the location. Now already this part is a little bit different to most other tools out there. What it will do is analyze live search results right now. So unlike ChatGPT or these other models which rely on old data, this will find things like whatever's current. So you could do something trending in the news and it'll already pick that up. The other big difference is this point of view. So I can change it between I. So if you're writing a review, which is what this is Apple TV review. I think for the helpful content update, it would be better having it from a me tone of voice. But I did also try second person just to see what that was like. The other cool thing you can do is toggle this and add all your own insights. So it's going to bake my own original thoughts and knowledge into this article where it's also pulling from Google. Anyway, I'm going to click auto write article and leave it to go. You just see it's working on the project here. Now, unlike ChatGPT and things, which can generate an article in about 3 seconds, this does take 15 to 20 minutes because it does its research, it bakes your own knowledge in. But I think that's really what we want from this. So I'll come back in a second when it's done. Okay, as I said, I did 2 versions. So we'll look at the first review at the moment, the first person one. So you can see it's written it from that first person point of view. I'll never forget the moment I stumbled upon Severance after dismissing Apple TV. And it's written this amazing guide. It's even put in tables comparing the costs, and it's written it from a first point of view. The other version was this one, and we'll just have a quick look at that. So this is from the other point of view, like you. So you can see, are you tired of scrolling endlessly through Netflix's overwhelming catalog? So it's written it from a different point of view. It's got all my own thoughts in here as well. It's also got those pricing in here. It hasn't put it in a table this time, but it's put the pricing options here. And it's genuinely written a really good article in like 15 minutes. The other thing it can do is grade it against all the topics and entities already on Google. So if we come over here, you can see there's this optimize tab, and you can see here how we can make it better. So it looks at all the topics, the top ranking results. We need to mention user interface a bit more. We need to mention movies a bit more because we haven't mentioned movies in this guide, which we should do. So our goal is to get that, and it's just re-optimizing out, to get this B up to an A, I guess. And, you know, we probably want to add a few more words in here, so we can go and add that. And we could actually look at what all our competitors are talking about and look at the topics that they've included that we should do. So really cool way to actually use AI to write content that's different, not like all the other tools out there, which are just ChatGPT wrappers and churn out articles in seconds. But give it a go. Keyword Insights AI writing agent.